Another one. Yeah, so the Kumasi girls so much sad, you know. They could have made that, you know why?
School now also hands.
I say, oh, the girls' school. Girls' school, so they're very uncle. It's you,
Honomoko, there, Gassa. A free nay, Ecosi 31st October. Lemfi say, Tawachi promo, Yenyi Mumu, Yedasu Jinamochi. I into so send this can be a bro $50, £50, €50. So Lemfi so bet you 1% cashback. What Sunday and next can so Alberto accounts into the obey call Google Play Store, iOS, never download the Lemfi. And our first time I use promo code with Polino, POLEENO. Nekai say Lemfi there, you best surprise so all the time. Now send this car Ecofia. Within minutes na edru ebusuafo enchen. Lemfi so betimi asend this car akọ ebusuafo enchen abra eni kwan se uloadu Lemfi wallet no. Ubetimi asend it straight from your bank na ode eko ebusuafo and say adofo enchen. Inti download the Lemfi nekai say tawachi promo no edasu jinem from now to 31st of October. 1% send this car lady di home umpewe. Now,
right, great people. This is your boy, the Fresh Boy Papa J. Ha, I Polino Multimedia. Na, and then me ha, and your bonnet, me who video me na video ne MS3. Na, me share video ni di, na me share the way mano, esi like baby an 11 ne do this time now. I want for some say, hey, say dey be kra na onye. Why be it's all about Dr. Likey. Nancy mu video be Likey. So chobo ekutano mattress. Also Kumasi girls. Charlie, me try didn't them say, hey, Charlie Likey. Say they be pan bibi baby so na a pick it. Bibi baby na a pick it na before say ask me my gen na. Oh yes, masa na wo hin. Also Kumasi girl no Likey pa to see super. Kumasi girl what to say girl be ma be school order. Though teacher for member all there. But me who say Bema bia ako my J bra ona na like you go school now also hands
I say oh girls school so dey Bema nko nti you kwakoye dey
also fili school no o person o Kumasi girl na dey ba ko so be say wako obi o wako Raigon ana wasa ko prempe
ana ise wati abawachi ana oko SHS oba SHS nso aso pemba mu
fantastic honomoko e moko ye dey agasa
oh so far I call kasa trend kra no ati asense nkra ni bi o mo talent ni ade ani kutu o mo fo so o maba no mo hwe o mo respect o mo teachers ni ade so I know na papa ko ya oni nkra ni ko ye dey ko di nkomo
o me wan so manage ye pa na mo just stage a mo tu nkra no because there are a lot omo ha bebe person mo actors and actresses omo nyina hwe bia omo so betimi afa ba film ti mo ya manage ye pa
si papa nkasa no fa nkra no na watete omo na omo be say ye
ya bia ne so so ne wa afama wa wona baby a ojeje my J ba wo ye bedi nkomo what ye bedi nkomo so my J ne like and man no body pressure na school there and like someone there hey massa jebi mu na ya santoa and obeko but before I said you be can seven potia and me wa no so Canada UK USA Germany Portugal France Italy Ireland na so send this king at the Ghana you should never send this car never bra Ghana na o send this car yeah into she free never say or my cashback you should never for all your money transfer transactions. What did you make us say? Also, share the one my JAC can also video they be say like and nama or son the chobox kutani school bag or boarding house. One boy school so a girl school. It tells you say hey we are so ahon brasier pa. What him say like didn't you make us say what brand once I'm a squad or money nam. Or brand once you I'm a directors producers or money nam. Anytime we move from another level to another level, or move from this level to the next level, because what Brandon wants to say, I did be a modern baby and more and anything, he will keep on being a top notch this time because directors never been, no producers never been. The Biobia breaking agony, Obia crack, Obia run thinking for a quarter more happy be the aba. Amanaye. It's the be and you can see, say, or calling him all the time. Share the aggressiveness and all they call Kumasi girls. So, Obi and Kobes through. Then you bring to the stand say, I'm not for says, it's on Sriana, or you aggressive, or you serious about the oil, you know. And such a person, one cool school and richly, nene, your friend so on only school for Uncle Kasa. Charlie, it tells you, say, God has been so good. Any na ahobrase. The level na wodru no, wo ni petwe no wo hia say agbakofo adwini bakofo tim. Enti no, omumfa ne nye de omope. And obi like no yewe, and obi no yewe, and obi no yewe because or respecting the people around him. What I say, who say if someone ni ho ono so ni ho because omo no mo kake adwene do ono so ye na adwene ekreti niam oyisu na adwene mo but say wo kreti na me so me kreti password kreti magje kreti 39 kreti ne ye kabo mu a emade ne ekọ emane ekọ ti hwehwe nkora ase a de ono mo koyo ne magje elder 3 ho Mr. Ray and Aboske. They went there to motivate the girls. Girls couldn't call. They went there to motivate them. Na talent be more. Try say Usia Diano, na Osan so air build it. Like in the good the chop boss and in the trunker. All call a Kumasi girls and ain't Tabiana win we are young Dr. Likey. Now also a person called Kumasi girls will be all Rigon. Walk up Prempe. I said also called girls school and Wama Kumasi girls week way. Kumasi girls are trendy pa. Wama KG are trendy pa. Obi oko KG be feel proud this time. Like it, I'm Obi oko KG because so the amount for Kobe so makes me call KG and I like we mate. And I like we mate. What I say, it tells you say Wama edin Kumasi girls no can week way are trendy pa Obi oko Kumasi girls be feel proud. Say oko Kumasi girls. So the young Dr. Like here. Wako Kumasi girls okutane chobos and then the mattress just my guessing where girls go there be one of beba now school papa Kumasi girls were school na okobekobium I just say Kumasi girls young Dr. Likey and then the boys no mo do school mo nyama course wo ho nyina no yenko na yenko hwe bi na yemfa bi entu ye hofo young Dr. Likey
Ah, be mami baby ade. Best school. Kumasi get so much radio and Kenya am
How you doing?
Another one. Yeah, so the Kumasi girls so much radio no. It's a maybe no why. Maybe school. Maybe school. Hey, I guess when you would your way and I mean, Sahai Kumasi girls. I girls school there. I'm close to now. What born I mean, could be there. Already you call me a make and I may come again. Already you call me a make come again. You go to the idea. Let's who's out to any idea. Hey, Kumasi girls. Yantra wa mama mesi ade nyina. Yenya ya ba Kumasi girls. Yabio, enti president na oni o madware. President. Huh? I girls school to me. I must girls school. Kumasi girls. Yeah, I mean, Kumasi girls. I want to mean, who know Kumasi girls? All results were my hair. I want to know results. Yeah, my best school. That then she got to send to the results and wow. I say your school I have for my who do you want to buy this? And you also the school. And your classmates. Hey, is there a track of wire from Tino? Top box and a wire of matter. Judge me in a first time. Top box wire from Tino. I mean, you read the higher girls' school. I mean, I
We are the same.
I am a Kumasi girl.
I am my school now.
I am a battery, much radio.
What do you want? No one away. I am. And then integrated science.
That is scientific science.
Scientific.
I win him idea.
Who is school?
Huh?
Who is school?
Yeah, you GSS.
I that's a GSS. School back party now really.
Well, show what you say.
Why? I haven't been tried.
Never ever say who school really am.
It's been over from saying.
Yes, you see, I'm back from one.
That never when you do from one.
I said we come from say so.
That from the so I am for down now back I am for down.
We are in 12 no him. When I know way. I am at school at Emma.
I want him to I am mouse.
I guess go think now.
You carry it now yet.
Open your satellite. Your satellite. Where's us at the school?
And I would in bad use of one.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's walk up. Let's walk up. Let's walk up. Kumasi girls. Kumasi girls. Kumasi girls. Kumasi girls. Kumasi girls. David Sherman. I was in the school. Kumasi girls. Dabio. And then Kumasi girls. O camera for my brother. Ni isa ankasa. Yes, why say Kumasi girls. Good. We jump from far over Timo. The soul come from fire day. The soul come from fire day. Mr. Mania just said the Kumasi girls. Mr. McCoy, Kumasi girls. Oh, I asked. Oh, I am Kumasi girls. Aha, sanity. The Kumasi girls are one yet. The Emily no day. Kumasi girls. No one to be so Ahimana. Kumasi girls. Ahimana, which last thing to say? And yes, oh, let Kumasi girls. I want to so Ahimana. Kumasi girls. Missy Kumasi girls. Kumasi girls. Yaba obi bia akwaba. Yaba sre. Bia Panasson feminine, let's see, Asuma American. Everybody, can you please attention to my language? What's it? And never back to Grofo. Let's say, and then you may be a Yawahano, and say, you're newcomers. I hope you are up them. Let's say, I hope you are Mabano. Obi ene sutie ma teachers no wo de wa wo gina akwa hwa wa wo fo bre and then you obi wo ha wo ma me kura kya adwuma the whole day e no di wachi wa di sua ho nti we kire say school eh dey we kire say school eh dey Enche uton koko kura no wa nko school a minimo bi oton koko sesa na abro so aka koko ya nton moka enso oton koko a no aye dai no aye dai moka enam school a wanya dai etimesre obi kure po bi ama na tua ne school fees no atena ko school enso wanya dai wanya etisanya me ye watom na sa watimi anya Kumasi girls a ahema Kumasi girls who dey share your dressing you tell no so fair it's mesre mo mamba foforo no mo bi anya so ni tie your teachers no na yanyire ye ho nsua de mesre mo sa wo Kumasi girls wo ho ade de a ene na wale o Ube Kumasi girls na wo se wo timi nsua de ntwa that is how can I day edu keke da de no be so edu Ube Kumasi girls na wo timi awu antimi ansaza na awu na kaya day na kaya day mesro sabi mi ko school enya na se me so to go so ya ma be gina sabi ka me to office men timi an ko school it is a me who be an ko school na ha me mesro mo ya hwe ya ma me no ma ba ta bra wo mo bre you go ko papa we try na tuma the whole day and we do what he when you move fast so obenya no school mu it mesro mo wo sha wo fo ni be na mo wiem apa na bi di wo mo ma pa mesre e ma wo ma me bra na wo bra na nya dai mesre wo mi mrafo na Kumasi girls ye din na ya maintain no enko soro sa ahema always faithful I boy, na men ko bi dia go en pa de ku mani mo ase. Ahema. David esa. Etu mo mo tire wo de wa ba fo program. Awa no from. Me new national anthem kan wo mo kan am so mano e dey. Edem etu se ba fo program ha na wo be sua kan. Eti e mo ti wo ko abie wa no ka bi ma me nti dede no. Ahema. Ahema.
Always faithful.
Ahema.
No brand
Bounce. Eti say no brand kwat ya mesremo. O mi enfa no brand. Na school no, ya nko ma e me tro ya papa mo ketre maso. O papa de wa ye bi. Hwe bi si ama bi. Twa mo so ni kura no. And I found those mattress and I say, a crown of state for pay. What is the bad chair day? It's ready. I make a second say, who's a young man point of year day? The buy, I'm saying, Senior Mawa. I'm on Tiki, Bluffing Kwan. Or today, never pass the mama. Never pass the mama. It's your church, woman. And on the prophet, you're not going to say. You're not going to say. If water takes too long in bottle, it's too much of time. Hello. That's your name, India. Ahima. Ahima.
Always faithful.
Ahima. That is senior man. Good year. Uma Kwana wa ha ogudo. Uma no nana mo. And then Atasa and Subai. Atasa.
Yeah, penny brofu. Yeah, man.
Come on, boy. Go for you too.
I guess.
Yeah, on to blow one on ten.
Come on,
Can you be a two?
Should I speak English? You want English? Oh,
Spoke English, whatever.
English when I spoke. Maybe we will learn tomorrow. Or you want to learn tomorrow? You want to know Baba. I don't know what English. Where I know this is a benefit. I'm okay. Welcome everybody to the school of the women. Girls, senior high school. Come for me. Why you didn't come? If I say clap.
Your English is not for clapping. Your English is not for clapping.
And we are all here to reign. You see, we are all here to reign. I'm going to repeat everything. Yes, you are saying, sir. Bibia on emre. Ya omre didi agro. Ya omre edisi ade. Mesraw waba no. Gentia anopa wo ame sori ho agya na dwuma so. Ade wa ba school no ye say, wo be sua ade. Mesraw afutu aka me de ma wo. Waba no, ma de sia nya o first reality. Me say ade sia nya o first day. O first day. Aha, mo yire mo na mo sua ade. Na da action. Wo nya be bi nyere. Ensisa be ya wo fo e be nyere. Enyekwa. Ida mo nyina ma. Ada.
What can you do?
Let me can you come.
I got it.
Let me come. Say something.
Okay.
Say you want to come go.
Yeah, because you know I'm a graduate. So.
Okay, let's go.
Praise and praise again. When you are come to school, please take your admission very serious. Yeah, bro, well. The same because of my this serious.